If you need help finding the right products for your customer or want to find out how PIP's comprehensive product offering compares to the competition, our website and industry-leading sales tools have you covered. Hi, my name is Corey Dinan, Director of IT Digital Platforms here at PIP. While our digital platform team may be small in numbers, we do big things so you can promote and sell our products with confidence. Our goal on the digital platforms team has always been to get you the right products with the fewest amount of clicks. As we receive valuable customer insights from our sales and customer service teams, we get to work building sales tools that replicate real industry questions, leading to practical recommendations. Tools like our interactive cross-reference give you good, better, best options to replace thousands of competitive products from over 70 manufacturers. One of my favorite tools is the on-site assessment. A PIP safety professional will conduct a comprehensive assessment of your customer's current PPE usage and cost to determine the best PPE offering to mitigate downtime, increase productivity, and show true cost savings. If you want to learn more about the products and industries we serve, the 3SP online training program delivers this knowledge through an online interactive user experience. The website also hosts dozens of interactive product presentations, industry-leading selector guides, product videos, brochures, white papers, and up-to-date rich product data for your website. With all that being said, we're always trying to find ways to get you to the products faster. So if there's anything we can do at PIP to make your life easier, just give us a call.